Just finished the first fix of a kitchen in Grimsby. This kitchen is a ground floor flat. Because it's a ground floor flat, there's no access above the ceiling. We've got no floorboards to take up, so the solution to that was to install 50x50 cable trunking around the whole perimeter of the kitchen. And then once we've got our cable route, what we've done is we've cut a slot in the back of the cable trunking to allow the cables to come down. We've chopped out the wall, chopped out for the back boxes, so once that's been plastered it should look quite neat and it'll blend in quite well. New regulations, 18th edition, any cable trunking, cables in, has got to have fire rated supports, so along the whole length of the cable trunking, every sort of 300mm we've installed fire rated cable clips, and that's to stop premature collapse of cables in the event of a fire, so it just keeps everything in place. Also used fire rated fixings. So over on this side we have a double socket above the worktop. Moving over to this side, there's another double socket. This one is the cooker switch with, it'll have a single socket built in one side that goes down to a cooker outlet, and then also a single socket. So that gives the option of either a freestanding electric oven which requires a 32 amp supply, or if it's a gas oven we've got a single socket there for the ignition. In any case, they both have an isolation point to comply with regulations. And then over on this side we have another double socket. We have two isolation switches. One is for the washing machine, which is at low level, and one is for a fridge, this side, freestanding fridge. Isolation points are put in because once the kitchen has been fitted and the washing machine is installed and plugged in, there's going to be poor access to that socket. So in the event of a problem with the washing machine, we can safely switch it off here, and that sorts that out. This side of the socket, that's the fan switch. So over here, that's where the extraction fan will go. And all we have to do now is wait for the plasterers to come. They're going to make good all these old holes. These are some of the old sockets that were installed. Old socket that side. We've had to make a few small holes in the wall just to get access for our cables, but nothing too major. So once it's all been plastered, we'll come back with the second fix.